When most people think about wealth, they focus on tangible houses, cars, money in the bank. But true financial success is not just about what you can touch. There are invisible assets, things you can't see but can have massive impact on your personal economies. These assets build wealth quietly, often unnoticed by those who are not paying attention. Let's talk about some invisible assets that are just as valuable, if not more, than anything physical you own. The first invisible asset is your network. The people you know can often be more valuable than the money you have in the bank. Rich people don't just invest in things, they invest in relationships. The right connections can open doors to opportunities that money can't alone buy. Second, your time is an invisible asset. Time is the most precious resource you have, yet many people waste it without realizing its value. Millionaires understand the importance of time and make it work for them. By using time wisely, you can create wealth through smart investment, learning, and strategic decisions. Third, your knowledge is another powerful asset. The more you know, the more you can leverage your skills to generate income. It's not about how much formal education you have. It's about your ability to learn and adapt. Knowledge opens doors and helps you make informed decisions that lead to financial growth. Fourth, your reputation plays a huge role in your personal economies. People are more likely to invest in you or do business with you if they trust you. Building and maintaining a good reputation can lead lucrative opportunities and collaborations. Often behind the scenes, fifth, your health is an invisible asset that many overlook. Without good health, your ability to earn, work, and make long-term decisions diminishes. The wealthiest people understand that investing in their physical and mental health ensures their longevity, energy, and productivity. Sixth, your creativity is another invisible asset. Creative thinking allows you to solve problems in new ways, identify opportunities, and innovate. Whether it's in business, art, or technology, creativity drives progress and can significantly increase your personal value. Seventh, your mindset is critical. A growth mindset enables you to see challenges as opportunities. It's about understanding that failure is a stepping stone to success. This mindset helps you persist through tough times and come out stronger, ultimately building wealth over time. 8. Your emotional intelligence is vital navigating relationships and making sound decisions. People with high IQ are able to manage their emotions and understand their feelings. This helps in both personal relationships and business dealings, which in turn can boost your economic standing. Ninth, your work ethic is an invisible asset that sets successful people apart. Hard work, dedication, and a strong sense of discipline often lead to opportunities that others miss. It's a behind the scene effort that compounds over time, bringing you closer to financial success. These nine invisible assets are powerful, and when combined, they create foundation for long-term wealth. So while you might not be able to see them, these assets are key to your personal economy and can propel your financial freedom.